Tom, please watch your dad. He needs this at 6.
Yes! I finally reached the next level today!
Tom, can you tell me where my medicine is?
Tom, please. I really need your help right now.
New high score! I am definitely the best player. Dad, please wake up!
Ben!
Dad, look at this game!
It's expensive, Tom, but I will try my best. Can I take the new project? I need extra pay.
You look really tired, Ben. Are you doing okay?
I'm just a bit stressed, but I'll be fine. I want to see Tom's face when he opens it.
Tom, please watch your dad. He needs this at 6. Promise me you'll remember, Tom. It's really important today.
Okay, Mom, I promise I will watch him carefully.
I'll be back home again in about 2 hours.
These dolls need to sit nicely in a row.
Whoa, sorry. I didn't mean to knock that over. Yes! I finally reached the next level today!
Tom, can you tell me where my medicine is? It has to be somewhere close. I'll keep looking.
Tom, please. I really need your help right now.
New high score! I am definitely the best player.
I really need some water before I feel worse. Where did that bottle go? I can't find it. Something is wrong.
I can't feel my hands.
I need to sit down right now, immediately.
I think I saw something roll under there earlier.
Tom, I really need you to come here now.
Did you hear that? I think something just fell. Dad, please wake up. Dad, can you hear me? The medicine bottle is gone. Where did it go?
Look, Tom! I think Mom is finally home now.
Ben! Oh no! What happened while I was gone?
I already checked everywhere. I can't find it anywhere.
Please help him. I think his heart might be failing. We need to follow them straight to the hospital.
I hope Dad is going to be okay soon. I don't know, Tom. Please don't blame yourself yet.
His heart is fine, but he collapsed from exhaustion. He also missed an important dose of medicine today.
Tom, did something happen to your father's medicine today?
I didn't watch him. I was playing my game.
It's here. I accidentally knocked it behind there.
I'm so sorry. This is completely my fault, Mom.
You didn't know, sweetheart. This isn't only your fault.
I need to be alone for just a minute. Dad's old work bag is sitting right over there. Extra project bonus. Dad, I really need to talk to you now.
Hey there, buddy. I'm really glad you came back. I just wanted to see you smile, that's all.
I'm so sorry, Dad. This was truly my fault.
That headset doesn't matter at all.
It's really good to finally be back home.
I don't think I want this anymore, actually.
The house feels different somehow. Doesn't it, Tom?
I'm gonna sell this and never look back.
Are you sure about this, Tom? Really sure?
I sold the headset already. I don't want it. It is just a toy after all.
Well, that was fast.
I want you resting, Dad, not working extra hours.
You're really growing up fast, son. I'm so proud.
What if we use that money for a garden?
Yes! A garden sounds absolutely perfect for all of us.
Let's leave these phones here and just be present.
I haven't laughed like this in such a long time.
Careful, careful! I almost spilled this everywhere just now.
This moment is honestly too perfect not to capture.
Did you take your medicine yet this morning, Dad?
Every single day, Tom. I never miss it now. I'll just finish these last few slides quickly, promise.
Dinner's getting cold, Ben. Please come home soon.
Just this one more project, then I'll stop completely. I'll skip tonight's walk. I have too much work. I still have so much left to finish tonight. My hands feel strange.
Why is Dad's office light still on right now? Dad, it's really late. Are you doing okay?
I feel really strange, Tom. Something isn't right today.
You promised us, Ben.
I was scared to disappoint everyone again, honestly speaking.
We don't need more money, Dad. We need you.
I need to share this project instead of carrying it alone.
You have to plant these a little bit deeper.
Just tighten this screw here, and it's completely fixed. I used to read these adventure novels every single night.
I never knew you actually liked these books, Dad.
We still have so much to learn about each other.
This part is definitely my favorite page in it.
Please read that part again. It sounds so exciting.
Look at all of you together like this. This garden looks absolutely wonderful and so peaceful.
Please stay for dinner with us tonight, Mr. Clark.
There's so much delicious food on the table tonight.
My own children once did something very similar, actually. They tried to turn indoor pool. It was a total disaster.
That's the funniest story I've heard in ages!
Tonight feels really peaceful. Doesn't it, everyone here?
Good night, little dolls. Time to rest now, everyone.
I'll check on Dad early before school starts tomorrow.
Our house feels so warm and safe tonight, finally.
I feel genuinely at peace for the first time.
No phones tonight, just all of us together, finally.
To my wonderful, growing family, I love you all.
I love you so much, Dad. Thank you. This has been the very best day ever, Mom!
Remember, games can wait, but family should never be ignored. If this story touched you, please tap the like button.
Subscribe for more heartwarming stories like this every week.